LSC Mrityunjay Gupta, who has very recently cracked his SSB for ACC 123. In fact, ACC 123, very few students so far have been able to clear the SSB, and Mrityunjay is one of them. We're really proud of Mrityunjay's success. And now I'll be just interacting with him since he cleared. He did give me a call and he just mentioned about it. But now he's on leave from his unit, and we just interact with him that how was his experience at SSB and how did his online preparation. He was like you, all of you online student. So how did he practice? Because that little challenges are there when you are attending online classes and you practice all that. And SSB is practical, but the classes are online. So we'll cover both the angles. Firstly, his preparation level before he joined, and then his experience. So, Mrityunjay, yeah, can we get to know how
Yes, sir.
was your preparation mode? What was the days before you went to SSB or when you were in AMAS? How did you handle your preparation?
First of all, good afternoon, sir, and thank you to you, sir. Sir, rather than noting down your examples, I have noted down your tips, whatever you have given to us. I have a
Okay.
list of tips you have given to us. कि ऐसा करना है, ऐसा नहीं करना, do like this, do like that. All the tips by all the instructors of the academy. And also, sir, if I will talk about my preparation before going to SSB, so sir, I joined the online course 14 in December batch. So after January, sir, our whole unit was shifted to Srinagar uh, due to some operations. So after from February, March, and April, 3 months we were there without our mobile phones. So
Oh,
it was all like things in vain. I was not knowing कि क्या चल रहा है, and
mm,
without any news. But when I came back to my unit in May, I was just remembering कि मेरी अब SSB आएगी. And I remember your tips कि news तो सबसे important है. You cannot leave news and current affairs. So I just
right.
used to sit down and I used to read all the headlines or all the news you post on your channel, sir. So I have just noted down all the 3 months news. I read all the 3 month news in a tenure of 1 month.
Okay, very good.
I read down all the news. I updated my data diary. I updated my data diary. I just filled my data diary what I have to speak, and because sir, all the
Very
tips
good.
that were given by you. And sir, I
Great.
just mostly focused on my current affairs and my current knowledge, general knowledge, because sir, psychology practice it was enough, which I did in December. I was knowing ki I will be able to do it. As we cannot change our psychology, we can just practice. So we have practice much, and small sessions which were being given by you. So I used to do practice of psychologies. And sir, after going to SSB, things were very similar what we used to practice in classes.
Great.
So it was very seamless
So
process.
let's start
हो गया
from
मेरा.
your actual experience of stage one. Like, what was the picture? What was the discussion like? How did it happen?
Sir, in
You
the
are in
stage.
Bhopal, right? You are in Bhopal.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
21 SSB.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, in the PPDD, sir, we got a very hazy picture. Just like a boy was saying, we were not able to clarify how many characters are there here. So which I perceived were I perceived 4 characters. One was in the air, 3 were on the ground on a concrete surface, and I saw a heli also in the clouds. I saw some clouds. So I just made a story on Uttarakhand flash floods which were there in Chamba district. So I
Mhm.
said IF is conducting a rescue operation. And
Right.
if when narration came, so I just went out of the hall. I just practiced my narration as said by you. Just try to revise what have you written. Just keep it in your mind. For 15-20 minutes, I just revised it. When I get inside the hall, I just
Mm.
spoke very fluently, sir. I was
Okay,
like,
great.
कि instructors must be thinking, कैसे बोल दिया? I said it.
Right.
And after when the GD started, so there were only haphazard, sir, fish market. So they divided the group into two.
Mm.
Well, this group and this group. So our group, all the people, I was supporting others' point because good story trap many person. So I was supporting others person की हाँ तुम्हारी story अच्छी तुम्हारी story. One of the persons said तेरी story apt है, best है.
Mm.
मैंने बोला कि ठीक है तो we should add now I should add points to my story. So I started
Mm.
adding points to my story only. We can do like this, we
Okay.
can do like that.
Right.
So when they at last he said कि अच्छा both the groups combine and give a common story. So
Mm.
whole group concluded to my story. They said कि okay this is and give one of you give narration. So everybody saw me and he said only chest number 18 will give narration. You stand up and speak. So everybody supported कि हाँ तुम ही दो. So I just when I gave my common story, so I took all the points. If a person had said कि make him a squadron leader, so I was also including that we will make him a squadron leader. So I include all the points said by all the people and gave him the common story. So sir screening हो गया उसके बाद. So I was very happy कि चलो screening तो हुए. Next it was all stage wise sir because पहले ही नहीं
Yeah,
हो रहा है तो
certainly.
दूसरा तो मैं
One has to go step by step. Yeah.
yes sir.
The ladder to
And
success is Mrityunjay, the success you have to climb the ladder step by step. For each step
yes
you
sir.
have to work hard. Very good. Okay, then how was the psych test?
Sir, when I went to psych test, you said कि I talked to you a day before, sir. Me and Pushpinder sir and Manoj talked to you because we three all were from MAS. So we talked to you. So you gave us all the stories. So when I saw you gave all the stories which we have practiced earlier, sir. So it was things there were things in my mind कि what I have to write if this come, if this come. So I said ठीक है मैं prepared हूँ. जो होगा देखूंगा कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. I went to psych test. I when it comes to VAT, sir, VAT थोड़ा खराब हुआ था. I आपने बोला था कि अगर छूटा तो इट इज अ डिजास्टर और मैंने सोचा कि डिजास्टर तो कर दिया है लेकिन कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ना चाहिए आगे की परफॉर्मेंस में. ठीक है तो फिर आई राइट ऑल द टैट स्टोरीज और डिड अराउंड 55 बैट्स एंड 56 SRTs and a 2.5 page self description. Self description got very long sir. लिखते लिखते वहाँ बड़ा हो गया मेरा. I have practiced my self description लेकिन बड़ा हो गया. तो जब साइक हो गया सर everybody was saying कि you have left VAT, you are done a disaster. ये वो मतलब कि ठीक है अब आगे भी तो चीजें हैं. Things will not stop here. आगे बहुत सी चीजें हैं. तो साइक हो गया सर. उसके बाद सेम डे माय इंटरव्यू वाज देयर. सो सर इंटरव्यू तो बहुत ही अजीब गया मेरा सर. वहां पे he just tried to I cannot speak सर. वो उन्होंने फंसा दिया था एकदम चीजों में सर मेरे को वहां पे बैठा के.
वो तो the
Just
questions
like
are
sir,
tricky. See, the interview sometimes the questions are tricky. You can either fall this side or that side. Okay. So anyway.
he called me 3 times upstairs sir. He called me 3 times. I was sitting in the waiting hall. So chest number 8 का मैं बोलता जल्दी जा. He is calling you. I went upstairs. So he said, my friend, did I call you? So I was just standing there. मैंने लगा sir chest number 8 told me. बोलता get down. Sir he shouted on me. I went down. Then again I was sitting. A bell rang. I again went up. He said, my friend, did I call you again? मैंने लगा sir the bell rang in the waiting hall. बोलता get down. फिर मैं नीचे आ गया sir. The third time when the bell rang, when I went up, he was standing outside. He said, pick up this chair. So I picked the chair and he took me around 50 to 100 meters away from the room. He made me sit in the open. बोला ओपन में बैठ जा. बोला we will do interview here. मैंने okay sir. So he said कि stand at a distance where I can listen to you. So I was standing. ठीक है 2 कदम आगे. तो सर अब फौजी में तो 2 कदम आगे तो वैसे 2 कदम आगे बोला speak something. मैं जय हिंद सर. बोलता 1 कदम पीछे जा. मैंने 1 कदम बोला कुछ बोल. मैं जय हिंद सर. बोलता ओके बैठ जा. So I was जैसे बैठने जा रहा बोला खड़ो आ गया. मैं आगे गया. बोला पुल डाउन योर मास्क. मैंने मास्क पुल डाउन किया. बोला ऐसे करता है मुंडी हिला के
Basically,
ऐसे
he
करता है.
was trying to see the right distance, the social distancing,
हाँ सर
and
सोशल
the right
डिस्टेंस
distance
सर.
on where he could hear. Okay, this is just
हाँ सर.
because of the corona. Everybody has to take precautions. Right,
And
so okay, fine.
he saw my photo on the PIQ. He made a circle on the PIQ and cut it. He did it like this. ऐसे मुंडी हिला दिया ऐसे. मैंने लगा कि I just came to know कि he is going to do something different with me. So he made me sit down and the first question he asked me, अच्छा Mrityunjay, you are a propulsion fitter. What is a cryogenic engine? मैंने लगा कि sir I have been trained on jet engines, not on cryogenic engine. बोला कुछ तो पता होगा. मैंने लगा कि sorry sir, I will let you know. बोला अच्छा चल ठीक है.
First questioning clean mode हो गया.
हाँ सर. सेकंड पूछा सर उसने what is the full form of RAM and RAM engine? मैंने सर there is no full form of RAM, but RAM is a type of engine. I was explaining him. He said tell me the full form. मैंने सर there is no full form. We haven't been told about this. बोलते तेरे को कुछ नहीं पता. There is a full form. मैंने कि सर in the training we haven't been told about this. अगर होगा तो I will let it know you. बोलता कि क्या ट्रेनिंग की है तूने 2 साल. ये नहीं पता. फिर ऐसे बोलता ना सर. फिर आगे चीजें आई सर. उन्होंने और क्वेश्चन किए. फिर उसके बाद जो क्वेश्चन बिल्डअप हुए वो सारे मैंने बताता गया. मतलब कि नंबर ऑफ सीट्स इन लोकसभा राज्यसभा एंड अबाउट द कैपिटल्स. My whole interview was away from PIQ sir. It was all about current affairs. What is Quad? India's perspective on Quad. What is RCEP? India's perspective on RCEP. What are the India and ASEAN countries presently doing? What are the latest summits India has undergone through? What is the currency of these many countries? He was questioning like these questions. So I was all prepared about this. I have prepared it well. So I was just giving the answers. ऐसे धीरे धीरे सर उसमें कुछ ऐसा डिफरेंट नहीं था, बट इट वाज ऑल लाइक कि क्या, वेयर इज माय PIQ, आई हैव प्रिपेयर्ड माय PIQ, आई हैव रिटन हाफ ऑफ माय कॉपी विद PIQ। I was I was just thinking, where's my PIQ? PIQ तो क्वेश्चन ही नहीं आ रहे सर। It was all about current affairs, what is happening in Lakshadweep. A 16 hours old news. I read it in the newspaper, sir, in the line, in the night. I read कि something is going in Lakshadweep. He asked कि what is going in Lakshadweep. So I was very happy कि हाँ ये तो पता है। मैंने बताया कि सर ये हो रहा है।
See,
Like,
that's the
अच्छा, good,
reason I
good.
keep telling, no, keep reading the newspaper to the last day, last minute. You know, something of it can be asked, right? This
हाँ
news which
सर।
we make you practice at AMAS, if you really take this habit forward, you will not
देखो
regret.
इतनी कमजोरी हुई है मतलब हाथ से मोबाइल छूट रहा है।
Yeah, please carry on with me.
So sir, interview was all about
Hello.
current affairs, and from my PIQ the questions were only asked about my siblings and my friends and about my achievements in the forces. 3 questions were asked from PIQ. So I just told him about which were already prepared about my siblings and my friends and my PIQ and my achievements in service. So I just told them. So interview was lasted only around 15 to 20 minutes. When I came down, old people were sitting, which were waiting for president, deputy president. They were shocked. बोलते तेरा हो गया? मैं बोला हाँ। बोलते हैं कि they were just like कि giving me experience कि अब नहीं होगा. You try for next attempt of SSB. तू 15-20 मिनट में आ गया नीचे, तेरा नहीं होगा. Third day I went for GTO, sir. GTO, sir, which you had made practice in the classes. It was well enough, sir. I was so much confident and I was so much mattered to speak in group discussion lecturate. The lecturate topics which were told to everyone, I knew all the topics and I can speak 15 minutes on all the topics. I was that much prepared for the lecturate.
How
So
did you
when
prepare
I
with
got the
Vijay to, because there are no online students sitting here, how did you prepare? We keep telling them and I find most of them don't prepare. So how did you make a special booklet? The topics we give 150 topics. How did you prepare?
Sir, I have made everything, sir. I prepared myself, everything, thinking a central point that India is a superpower. Any topic which came to my mind कि ये इंडिया को कैसे हेल्प करेगा, इंडिया को सुपर पावर बनाने में, लाइक क्वाड था सर, RCEP था, कि ये सब इंडिया में आसपास चल रहा है, लेकिन हाउ आई टू इंक्लूड इंडियाज बेनिफिट इन दिस थिंग्स. तो मैंने ऐसे प्रिपेयर किया था. बाकी सर आपने जितने पॉइंट्स बताए थे सारे नोट डाउन किए थे और सब कनेक्टेड है सर. ऐसा नहीं है कि क्वाड अलग चल रहा है, RCEP अलग चल रहा है, कि यू कैन कनेक्ट मिलिट्री अफेयर्स with somewhere economics and make a country look good there. So I just prepared all the things. All the topics you said, I have just read most of the topics and the topics which were very important. Like many topics they were, sir, not
there's
easy
some
to
perennial topics which I told you. जो आते ही आते हैं
yes, sir.
कुछ topics.
आते ही आते हैं sir. I haven't prepared easy वाला topic sir. Global warming में तो ऐसे बोल लूंगा. लेकिन जो टफ है जैसे जेनेवा कन्वेंशन हो गया, UNSC हो गया, इन सब पे सर it needed some time. So I just prepared it well before going to the SSB and one month before I haven't also revised भी नहीं किया था, लेकिन मेरे दिमाग में था चीजें थी कि what I have to speak, how I was very confident कि I can speak 3 minutes on lecture at any topic. So sir when I got the card I was just confident कि हाँ इस पे तो मैं बोल लूंगा all the 4 topics.
लिया आपने? Which topic you picked up?
Sir the topics were India and its neighbor, role of discipline in life, social media and coalition government. I took India and its neighbor, sir. It was having
Very
so
nice.
much matter to
To
speak.
speak so much on that,
So,
yeah. Correct.
yes, sir. India and its neighbor, because we have prepared all the relations as you told, where you prepare all the relations with all the countries. So
Yeah.
relations तो सर सब हाथ में थे, कुछ भी बोल सकते थे उसमें तो हम.
तो
सर
command
अच्छा
task
प्रिपेयर
वगैरह
था.
कैसा हुआ? Command task
Command task में सर when I went to command task sir, he gave me steering arm, sir, round circle, steering
Okay.
helping material में.
Okay.
And sir firstly he asked me why are you calling test number 10 and 11 when they are my buddies. बोलता है उनसे कोई benefit नहीं है. मैंने कहा they understand me. बोलता है नहीं यार कुछ उनकी खासियत बता. मैंने लगा कि सर we are together from last 4 days and whatever I came down they are very cooperative with me and they are my buddies so I am calling them. बोलता है कि ऐसे मुंडी लगा. बोलता है तुमसे बात करके ऐसे बोल रहा है ठीक है बुला ले. मैं कमांड टास्क में बुलाया तो कमांड टास्क में बुलाया सर तो he gave me a round helping material, steering arm and a fatta and a balli. So when I saw MPAS so मुझे लगा कि यार ये तो I can make through these things but कुछ था नहीं सर फील्ड में. फिनिश लाइन स्टार्ट लाइन बीच में बहुत छोटी चीजें थी. तो फर्स्ट जो एंट्रेंस था वो तो फिजिकल लोड से ही होना था क्योंकि देयर वाज नो सपोर्ट फ्रॉम द अदर साइड. तो आई सेड
no structure, yeah.
हाँ सर मिनिमम स्ट्रक्चर थे उसमें. तो वी वेंट इनसाइड एंड वी वेंट थ्रू द ऑब्स्टिकल इन वंस. तो एक बार में पहुंच गए उस पार. तो ही सेड टू मी जेंटल कमांडर दिस वाज अ वेरी इजी वे, गो फ्रॉम दैट साइड. तो he gave me other side. Again, sir, I went inside, and this time, sir, it was very typical at that point कि वहाँ पे दिमाग नहीं लग रहा था. So he was just pressurizing me कि एक minute, you're having an 8 minute. मैं बोला okay gentleman, we can do this. And sir, I was just putting, and lastly, sir, I got an idea over there कि अच्छा ऐसे फंसा देते हैं, हो जाएगा. तो जैसे मैंने फंसाया तो GTO said कि yes, commander, this is a workable idea. Keep the helping material and move back. So sir, he was pressurizing me. He was saying 1 minute is left, and he gave me more than 7 minutes at that time.
Right. Yeah.
So sir, command task ऐसे हो गया. And
So
in the
how was your conference? Any questions asked in the conference, or it was normal?
Yes, sir. I went inside the conference hall. I saluted and I sat down. So he said, "Amritan, how was your stay?" And it was fine. So बोला कि अच्छा ये बताओ, you told me something in the interview. नहीं, how will you rate yourself? मैंने sir, I will rate myself 90 out of 100. बोलता where are the other 10 marks? So I said कि sir, 10 marks. I was not able to answer 2-3 questions in interview, so I have cut it down there. So बोलता कोई नहीं. Have you prepared them now? मैंने yes sir. बोलता just tell. So he asked me कि you told. He only told me कि you told me Sukhoi is fitted with RAM engine. मैंने लगा no sir. बोलता है यार तूने तो बताया था. मैंने लगा no sir, I haven't speak like this. तो बोलता है अच्छा मैंने गलत सुन लिया था. मैंने लगा sir, I haven't speak this, but maybe I was wearing mask, so you must not be able to understand what I was trying to say. तो Sukhoi में RAM engine नहीं है. बोलता है बात बदल मत. मैंने लगा Sukhoi is fitted with turbojet fan engine. बोलता how are you so confident? Now, sir, I have been training 7 months on that engine, and from last 2 years I am working on that engine. So if I am not knowing the basic what is the type of engine, so मैं ऐसे चुप हो गया. मैंने बोल गया सो सर ऐसे क्या. बोलता अच्छा अच्छा चल छोड़ इसको. एनी सजेशंस? मैंने लगा कि सर नो सजेशंस. तो बोलते एक तो दे दे भाई. तो आई सेड कि सर वी आर गेटिंग पनीर वेरी लेस, वी शुड स्पेन इन स्पोर्टिंगली मैनर. सर आई सेड कि सर पनीर थोड़ा ज्यादा मिलेगा तो अच्छा हो जाएगा. तो दे ऑल स्टार्टेड स्माइलिंग. बोला अच्छा अच्छा चल ठीक है. बोला ओके जेंटलमैन यू कैन लीव.
So how many people got recommended in your batch?
Two sir, two of us.
Both got. So at the end of it, overall, if you look back, Mrityunjay, this was your which attempt?
First attempt, sir.
First attempt, right? So overall, if you look back, how much hard work did you put in? For how many months? How much went into it?
Sir, minimum 5 months.
5 months of sincere.
Because sir, before December also, I was thinking my SSB in January, so I was preparing in the.
You did our online 14 batch, right? Am I right? 14.
Yes sir.
13.
Yes sir.
Online 14.
Yes sir. 14 sir.
After that, you continue to put that efforts and.
Yes sir.
So thank you so much. And if anyone has a question for Mrityunjay, you want to ask any questions, we can take 1 or 2 questions, right?
Yes, sir.
Then after we will wind up the session. Any questions? Yeah, Rahul, you want to ask any question?
First of all, congratulations, Mrityunjay. And I would like to ask how to prepare the main content about to make an effective lecturate.
First of all, in preparing of a lecture, any topic is given to just see which topic it is. It is an organization, or is it something a common topic which people are talking about. So if it is an organization, you should be prepared with all its things, when it started, who is the present CEO. You should be knowing all that thing. If you are not knowing them, just don't go with that topic. Choose another topic from the list, because these are the basic things you should be knowing in an organization. Yeah, where it is headquarters, how it was found, why it was found, what are its principles, what are its objectives. So things like this. Like if you will get the topic, yeah, my topic only, India and its neighbor. It was not a specific topic. It was a general topic. You speak India's relation with other countries. So I was speaking. If people got a topic like Geneva Convention. So if you're not knowing anything about Geneva Convention, you cannot speak. So you should have to prepare on what is Geneva Convention. Things are like this.
Right. Yeah. Any more questions? Anybody?
Sir, Rudbir sir.
Yeah.
First of all, sir, congratulations.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. As you told in site test, sir, in SD and VAT, sir, you faced some problems. So, what was your problem, sir?
I didn't face any problem. It was just like when I got a word, I started writing and my sentence got very longer. So, in order to write a next word, I just cut the sentence into the half. I just stopped my thing. So I was not able to complete all the sentences over there. And 1 or 2 I also left because I didn't get anything from that thing. So there was no problem. It is just like कि अगर problem दिखती है तो होगी. मैं तो problem कर लिया नहीं. I just went sportingly to the next task. And self-expression, I prepared SD around 1.5 months back. So I was having idea when I was not having practice of writing SD. When I started writing my SD, took some time, and I was able to complete my SD, but it just took some time. There was no any problem like such as in SD.
Yeah. See, HD, let me tell you, HD is something which you can prepare, pre-prepare, re-prepare, and finalize it. Right. We'll give you some pointers here. Just keep those pointers in mind. Then you write. Okay. Don't worry too much. You got to be very this thing with DAT and WAT. That you remember, right? Okay. I think it's time. It's almost 2 o'clock now. We had overshot time. Thank you so much, Mrityunjay, and wish you all the best
Thank you,
in
sir.
your leave. And if you're
Yes, sir.
crossing Delhi, do let me know. And if
Yes, sir.
you are there, we'll send you the tie or present you the tie, right? We
Okay,
will
sir.
tie up
Okay, sir.
how it can be done. So thank you very much for
Okay.
joining us and sharing your
Okay.
experience, because these are the words which you share motivate others, right? So those,
Okay.
especially in this batch who are preparing now to face SC. Thank you so much. Okay,
Jai
friends.
Hind.